When you first land on the CarShop homepage, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface that immediately presents you with search tools for buying or selling a vehicle. You can choose to search by make, model, price range, or body type, and the filters work smoothly without unnecessary reloads. The search results page is laid out in a grid format with high-resolution images and key specs shown up front, such as mileage, transmission type, and vehicle history. Once you click into a vehicle listing, you're taken to a detail page that includes a full vehicle history report, financing options, estimated monthly payments, and warranty information. The transparency here is a strong point. CarShop does not bury details. If a car has been in an accident or service frequently, it's clearly listed. However, not all listings have complete service records, which could be a concern for more cautious buyers. CarShop also features a tool to compare multiple vehicles side by side. This function is especially helpful if you're deciding between similar models. The platform includes customer reviews for individual dealers and even allows users to rate their experiences after purchase, which adds credibility and community-driven insight. Selling a car on CarShop is relatively easy. The listing process is streamlined. You input your VIN or license plate number, and the site pulls basic details automatically. You then add photos, set your price, and your listing goes live. One downside here is the optional promotional tools. CarShop offers paid auctions to boost your listing's visibility, and without them, your car may not get much traction unless it's competitively priced. The pricing tool on CarShop, which uses market data to estimate your vehicle's value, can be helpful, but I found it sometimes gives lower than expected ranges, especially for niche or less common cars. It's still a good starting point, but I recommend cross-referencing with other platforms like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. The customer support system includes live chat and an email option. I tested the live chat and received a generic bot response at first, followed by a real agent within 5 minutes. They were knowledgeable but slightly sales-oriented, pushing certified listings over private sales. While that might be fine for some users, others may prefer less bias and support. Many useful links you can find in the description. CarShop also offers vehicle delivery for certain regions. This is a great perk if you're buying long distance, though it's limited to participating dealers and select zip codes. The delivery scheduling tool is simple to use, but delays can happen, especially around holidays or high-demand periods. One of the more frustrating aspects of the site is how it handles account creation and save searches. You have to create a full account just to save a vehicle or receive price drop alerts, which might deter casual browsers. There's also no guest checkout for buyers, which feels outdated in 2025. Still, the mobile experience is strong. The app mirrors the desktop site's features with added push notifications for saved searches and listing updates. Performance-wise, the site is fast and stable, even on older smartphones. Overall, CarShop is a solid platform for buying and selling used cars, especially if you value transparency and structured listings. It's not perfect. The upsell tactics and limited support options for sellers might be a turnoff, but if you're willing to navigate those, it can be a very effective tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest platform reviews.